I disagree with Omwa. Eka say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne ni say eho ene wo kasa asem no. I disagree, totally disagree. Because baby ana ojina na okasa no. He is an opposition leader. Oyobia odi amanyoku a ewachiri. And the role of the opposition and say one mbehwe said de amamu ni kono wo mbeka ho asem.
Abuza from mamu na makwaba e ba Ghana nsem TV so. But more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn notification say next time videos of this nature ba also sabi timakawi and sane ye no so the money from Mr. President. Every whom you from Mr. President amejo so anopa ewie nyum anadumada kwa na from Mr. President me nyane ababaji so. Bize mo ya ntini wa ha e wase be so mo madaroma na munim journalist na fen Akokoa me hometi we dey no hometi hey Mr. Fu on ye fen KKBK kakabe kan na wara obeba afi we ya samo kaya be pato e dey na de kaya Akokoa me dey me kaya Akokoa say he is part of the journalists who see was for them at NDC. No more the MPP ni 8 years of Nanado's governance. Me dem kai. Ai Akokoa. They say Akoko is such a akromakra enye ne fe. Akokoa ebi no dey MPP. Akoko di Nanado ani Bawumia ni sa even ye ba opposition kwa Akoko gusu dey MPP for ani. Akoko twa ye frene. They say nsem fata kwa Akoko di. Me patode na so de kaya Akokoa na ne de dondon wasegon abusuya dondon asegon minim de esi wasache jama sentema tumpan na etini minim de esi kura for the first time in history Akokoa is defending Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Can it be that Akokoa has seen the light? Can it be that Akokoa who future na say anande making abusuya mo so mo dwen say. Can it be that I feel when say it's becoming crystal clear? So His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia is the next president of the Republic of Ghana. Wait, because this is the same Akokoa. When they talk about MPP, he doesn't even want to hear it. But Matia Simbia say, "Che, so do you want to go upon so I didn't know the born review ye. What time from po? Maybe someone a better on the John Tokwa Akwama." Nancy and SD for invite here at Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. And we invited NDC from the NDC we invited the party chairman Johnson Asidi Nketia. Now Dr. Bawumia nam kwaso kono hia dwomfo omoton no mokwan. And we must kono bo na man say oh SD for invite me Asidi Nketia ko hia. Now all mo conference ase. And the man say na wira ye den krabi man. Who was saying Ketia catch on somebody in cat. So who was saying Ketia catch and say, on any John Dramani Mahama, or more the drum for no more the yen cat. Or more the doom so say a juma. Or more the say, and no ma send fatan quan or more the galamsey or more they say numa. Go cook for come, any say mobile, and can't come more boontin, go cook for music to see who yes ever to you into NDC for the Womoka. As simple as that. And for Dr. Bawumia in India, he is the man of the people, for the people, and forever be for the people. So there is no way on my for never smart Dr. Bawumia or back as a wonko. Cause be one of Brennan was buadie. It will share saying Ketia or meeting as an so. You were saying Ketia. Eh, if you form as a modi in cat. It's a cry and cry, you form Madima, you are Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia, the next president of the Republic of Ghana. You know, they might say Ketia. And I said, as smart as he is, he found his way out to run away from those attacks. And that is fair enough. But Essence said the shots were felt by saying in the NDC, their dogs are elsewhere attacking NPP. For the first time, I've seen an NDC dog defending an NPP person because he's seen the light.
I disagree with Omwa. Eka say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ne ni say eho ene wo kasa asem no. I disagree, totally disagree. Because baby ana ojina na okasano. He is an opposition leader. Oyobia odi amanyokua ewechri. And the role of the opposition, and they say, one of my said, Amamuni kono wombeka ho asem. Some time passed, na John Dramani Mahama, your opposition leader. And then the opportunity of being a biano the car or mine or the air kono ho asem. And I will show you evidence on those things. Opportunity, and na John Dramani Mahama benya biano, whatever the platform is. Or the car or minimum assembly said or mine echo. That is the same thing Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the messenger or carry the koye. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia was talking to church members who are also Ghanaians. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia na one asori ma omo sanso ye Ghana fo sabe omo kodwam omo wodan ankane a wo mu a edum kane a ebi ka wo mu ebi ya kuafo a wo mu timu a sabe omo kodokoko ne antwia wo mu ka eho ahokere no wono mo ete. There are people a omo wo ma asori mani bi wo ma youth nso asori ni mu a ebi awie school ebi pa adwuma a omo nya bia unemployment ho nsem ewo ho. They were promised 24-hour economy. And that is the job of an opposition leader.
Current economic hardships.
We must always spread Christian love, especially in this time when money doesn't like noise. I mean, we could tell.
When money don't like noise, no. Where you wet a Kufuado eka yesi kampe didi se okaya sa time no. It will kind John Dramani Mahama be kan wo asori ho se ahochira ba but sa abre musu ne yeka kire se sikampe didi. Eti ude yentie.
When money doesn't like noise. I mean, we could tell the hardship in the system from the appeal for funds. When it was 2000, Madam Chair Amedza and a few people came and donated. Then it came down to 1,000, then to 500, then to 100, 200 and 100. And then when it got to the silver collection, 1 CD, 2 CDs, the place was full. It shows that the pocket is not too good, you know.
Enti osi ye bo afori na ye fre 200 100 ni ade abun se na nipa no kakra be duru 2 cedi ni 1 cedi be hwedi pa abu a kire se ahokire wo ho pa enti no.
But we appreciate even the 1 CD you put in, the 2 CDs you put in is very much appreciated. After we pray for Pakistan, moderator should also say a special prayer for me and for the NDC so that in some years just coming, luck will smile on us, God will smile on us, and give us the power to come and rescue this country from the
Enti we are sorry program and John Dramani Mahama gina no se said ye bom pae ma Pakistan ne dia akeka no metre se moderator so be bom pae na yetimi abeji tumi no na ye yi o man na free o how ne ahokira ye wo mu no. John Dramani Mahama statement on a church platform bra o mu invite no. I told you is a typical behavior of every opposition leader. Sabre no na opposition o petumi e dia ba ban mu. Na this is when he also met Assemblies of God. Nimpre no so we were the Assemblies of God as That's what he said.
It exists also to provide suggestions and guidance to leaders. Because after all, the church does not hang in the sky. The church exists in society.
Eti John Dramani Mahama say, sorry, sabe entite wiem tie. Me say bobiem tie.
It exists also. The church does not exist only to pray for leaders. It exists also to provide suggestions and guidance to leaders. Because after all, the church does not hang in the sky. The church exists in society. And whatever happens in society affects the church.
O kasa wa sorry o. En wo say, asori no sebe entite wiem kaya ho ahaya ne wo etidie ko bia se de oman ne ko bia na affect asori no so etimi ni se ese asori no etimi eka ensem bia ekwa enko yi asori no wone hwan one wo mu ahie mu ho no omo ni asori no omo ahie mu ho no omo ni asori no.
If high rise building and electricity consumption and also can be nyenya dum so are we saying say we didn't put any plan in place for such occurrence? Because like I'm saying, it comes through a channel and it's idea you need eba. Enti yenim se machine se ba yenim se definitely eba be ye adwuma say eba be ye say enti ye to ne ye jejejeje no. Are we saying say we don't factor that aspect of a year how do I even put it, development no ye mfa nka ho ana
na increase in
exactly ye mfa nka ho ana. And now there's another argument of you say dam no akosombo na ahye no and then amadum so. Is that really the problem? Is that really the problem? Because you see Olashenya ya say ebi wo ha kro bi wo ho a wo so ase bibi ba besi a anye ye kura wo phone ping 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 ye bow koko ye maw that ye can say notification no na bi a wo so de ayede wo de atoto ne ma ye. So yes, ye na ye jitu mu say Ghana we are developing. And I'm even sad that we are still having this conversation but then it is what it is. But the least our leaders can do is at least carry us along. Let us know the real problems on the ground. Let us not, let me say, how a manner you're politicizing and yema affecting the average Ghanaian life. And no na me you do baby I no. Because obia the better politics. Obiba obeka say we subo obeka say hey ya buy what you say, and that is how it is. And so we really never get a long lasting solution to problems that affect the livelihood of Ghanaians. And ola eya na eya sifim kakra. Now one of the things I mean solar panels dia and also mine kania. So me check here and me check kakra me here say solar ye de bo man mu ni ade na tax e da so nye tax ketwa. Enti how are we sending a capacity no? And to me and generate the light na ebe to me as sustaining a this power outages no. And then na ya dwene ho say bi as taxes so da solar so ebe to me as scrap yama major industrial companies ni ade be to me a crass solar systems ya ba mo de aye adwuma ma. If it's truly true say increase of electricity consumption in the cause some problems. Just sanke so better kakra wola. Yeah. But so na ba krom ha no frefre na wo tie taxes that's why enough form. So how does industrial company be a washa ase obeye den na wetumi adapt sa power generation plan no they are running a business. If you bebre people can afford the solar light, and to say yeah scrap is our tax nama or man for no to me I can say okay if this is the case this I can afford and me to me a crabia but you do can ya cry at least our system may be over falling on another year and look at because we are whether you like it or not ebogu. So what is the long-term plan to because I will not be surprised that buying maybe 4-8 years down the line we will still be talking about doing so.
But this is an AG who will come and bastardize people, pronounce people guilty because they know that the aura has nothing. The aura is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year. And they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault. That if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted.
But none from the MPP.
None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with frequency as propaganda secretary, mentioning people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi Eji, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife? You remember Ghana at 50?